what's up, family? You know the vibe, we go crazy. God bless you, stay happy. Join the TNS family. What's up, family? You know the vibe, we go crazy. So come along and join the family. Like, comment, share, subscribe.
Family, welcome back to our channel. It's your fave girl, Sera.
Tuxx.
Today we are going to take mum out to dinner. And dad, Riri, Jason, Black Cat, and Chris. So we're gonna go out to dinner tonight. We thought what a good night to go and just have some family time, make some memories. We can't park here, it's a taxi zone. We've got dad, mom, say hi mom. Hi. And Riri. Okay, so we're going over here, elevators. So we are going to Krabby Patty, or Krabby's Boil, with the family. We thought we'll take mum out because it's such a beautiful night. So we thought, hey, let's go out for dinner. Mum was discharged last night. And yeah, we're going out for dinner. To Krabby Boil. Where are we pressing? Level up, just up. The boys, it is so packed because the Marvel Stadium is having a game. I don't know, a footy game, I'm pretty sure. And the car park was so packed, so the boys had to go find a road park because it is $32 to park downstairs. And we have two cars, the Jeep and our car. We ain't paying $64 for like 2-3 hours. So yeah, off we go. How are you? Good? You been good? Okay, so when you come to Krabby Boil, sometimes you can't see where it is because it's kind of hidden, to be honest. But it's like kind of like down next to here. I don't know how to explain it. Let's just hope we can get a table because it's really packed. How you feeling today, Mum?
Good.
That's good.
Dinner out with some of my kids and some other kids and not family.
Okay. So, Mum was really craving seafood, which is why we came to Krabby Boil, but Mum has been feeling really unwell lately. Mum just came out of hospital yesterday. Yeah. So she's been feeling really, really sick, and we're just so happy that Mum actually got to come out. But everyone, please go into the comment section and wish Mama Amil hashtag feel better. Hashtag feel better, Mama Amil. Mamui.
Mamui. Oi.
Guys, how handsome does he look? I did this. It's styled by Sera. I'll just give it a tutorial. The spin.
Great job, great job.
Yeah. So basically how I did it was I brought the hair to the middle and then I braided it. But unfortunately he's got like these little bits. We tried to, mousse it down. Didn't work. He's still growing out his hair, so we had to bobbin pin a few of his short bits. But guys, seriously, don't be shy try to use bobbin hairs. If you need to use it in your hair, use it because it will make you look slick. Which one? You can only pick one. Now try this. This one.
Alright family, so what's going
then
on
I'll just
right
give you
now
your
is
own.
that Shiz is just running through some of the flavors that food is going to marinate,
Yeah, it'll all come in. You can just
drizzle
share
and
anyway.
bathe in all its glory. So we got Cajun, laksa, and tom yum. And Dad likes the tom yum, Mum likes the laksa.
Come join us at Krabby ASWELL. We're at Medibank Building, 720 Burke Street, Docklands. We'd love to see you here. Remember to follow us on the Instagram and this lovely family too.
Thank you.
Like, comment, share, and subscribe.
Yes! Thank you so much.
Krabby's crab boil.
Krabby's crab boil. Make sure you come and check them out. Listen, it was amazing, so delicious. If you love seafood, you got to come here.
Fam, if you want to see like an actual mukbang,
yes,
comment down below. We'll set it up.
Tell us who you want to see. Comment down below who do you want to see in our mukbang and what food do you want us to do. Do you want us to do seafood? Do you want us to do takeaway? Do you want my mama bear to be in there? Okay fam, so we stopped off and got petrol. I requested this. This is so good. I love me a good frozen Slurpee. But yo boy, he went and got show it.
Ooh.
This.
Golden arches.
I told him, are you joking me? Aren't you full? I'm so full, I can't eat anymore. Okay fam, so we are going to end the vlog here. We've had such a nice evening just spending it with mum and dad, Riri and Black Cat. Chris was at home. She didn't feel like coming out. She actually just wanted to stay home and chill. So yeah, we kind of just left her at home. And yeah, we're gonna end the vlog here. We hope that you guys enjoyed this mini vlog. Please family, spam our comment section and just give hashtag #GetWellMom or hashtag Krabby boil. Wait, Krabby crab boil. We hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. You know, we've been trying to stay consistent with our content. We know that we do so well in 1 month, and then the second month or the third month we disappear because I get lazy. Yes, to edit. I really do. I don't know. Shout out to every content creator out there that's like chucking out all the content all the time, because to me, I'm so lazy at uploading the thingy onto uploading the footage onto the laptop and then editing it, putting it all together. It's just too much for me.
But while we're on that subject, guys, I think we're just gonna start putting up some of our old stuff, maybe some of our old memories. So like things like our honeymoon, maybe.
Yeah, we were watching our honeymoon like maybe a month ago.
Yeah.
And I was like, how come we haven't put this out? We'll probably do a story time and put out that content, because like I've always wanted to put out all these old footages of like us back then. Even I want to put up those vlogs that we did where we didn't even have a YouTube channel, but we were acting like we had a channel, and like would walk around the center, walk anywhere, vlogging like we have a YouTube channel. This was like way before. I literally want to put that up.
Make sure you guys let us know exactly what you want in the comment section, or even on our socials. If you are following us on Insta, Tuxx_Sera, we're a lot more interactive on Insta, just because it's a lot more easier for us. Eh?
Yeah, it really is.
Thank you again for all the love, the support that you guys give us. Endless amount of love, endless amount of support. Shout out to you guys.
Yes.
We love you all, every single one of you.
Every single one of you. Thank you so much for always supporting us. And like we always say, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. So far.